Hello students, welcome to the next session of our English grammar class, and today we are going to do the exercises of the chapter adjective clauses. So let's start with exercise number 1, which is on page number 51. Okay, so let's start the exercise. In the first exercise, you have to underline the adjective clauses and you also have to state the noun or the pronoun which they qualify in the principal clause. So let's start with the first sentence. They never fail who die of a noble cause. So here the adjective clause is who die of a noble cause, and the pronoun here is they. Second, God helps those who help themselves. So here the adjective clause is who help themselves, and the pronoun here is those. Third, uneasy lies the hat that wears a crown. So here the adjective clause is that wears a crown, and the pronoun here used is head. Fourth, people who live in glass houses should not throw stones. So the adjective clause here is who live in glass houses, and the noun here is people. Fifth, he laughs best who laughs last. So the adjective clause here is who laughs last, and the pronoun used here is he. Yes, now the sixth one. Servants that are honest are trusted. So here the adjective clause is that are honest, and the noun here is servant. Seventh, all I know is this. So here the adjective clause is I know is this, and the pronoun used here is I. So now let's move to the next page, that is page number 52. Eighth sentence. Eat all you can. Yes. So here the adjective clause is eat all you. The whole sentence is an adjective clause. Eat all you can. Ninth. I hate such liars as you are. So here the adjective clause is as you are, and the noun here is liars. 10th, SARS is a disease for which there is no remedy. So here the adjective clause is which there is no remedy, and the noun here is SARS. There was not a man but wept. So man but wept is the adjective clause present in this sentence. 12th, here is the book that you wanted to buy. So the adjective clause is that you wanted to buy, and the noun here is book. This is the great movement that we have been waiting for. That we have been waiting for is the adjective clause, and the noun here is great movement. 14th, he that is down fears no fail. So adjective clause is that is down, and the pronoun here is he. This is the house where my uncle lives. Where my uncle lives is the adjective clause, and house is the noun. She is not the woman I can trust. I can trust is the adjective clause, and woman is the noun. I could not understand the question you asked. So I could not understand, this is the adjective clause, and the question is the noun. The 1st of July was the day when the college was opened. When the college was opened is the adjective clause, and 1st of July is the noun or the pronoun. The forest through which we traveled was dark and gloomy. So here adjective clause is which we traveled, and the noun used here is forest. My trouble, which is serious, is not the same as yours. So which is serious is the adjective clause, and my trouble is the noun. Now let's move to the second exercise. Here you have to fill in the blanks with suitable adjective clauses. First, tell me the school. So here you can write where you pass your 10th class, or any other option you can write which can match with the sentence. Second, he returned me the book which I had given him. Third, this is the boy who is very naughty. You can write or you can fill the blanks with your choices also, which could be suitable here. I am giving you some examples only. Fourth, this is the house where my uncle lives. Fifth, this is the dress which I like the most. Sixth, this is the girl who is very beautiful. Seventh, heaven helps those who help themselves. Eighth, he tells a tale which is very interesting. Ninth, this is the boy who is very kind. 10th, this is the same old story which I heard from my father. 11th, the time when they will come is not known. 12th, this is the watch which I gifted you. 13th, all the blessings which I have come from God. 14th, I purchased all the medicines which you said or which you asked. 15th, a man who is very shy tells no tales. 16th, he is not such a man who is clever. 17th, students who are late cannot attend the class. 18th, do you know someone who is miser? 19th, people who have weak immunity fall ill a little too easily. The last one is, I cannot forget the insult which my friend has done. Okay, so in this way we have finished the exercises of the chapter, the adjective clause, and I think you all have understood this chapter and you have understood the meaning of adjective clause. Okay, I just want to revise the definition of the adjective clause. So adjective clause is a group of words which is having a subject, a finite verb, and which is having its own complete meaning, but which also qualifies a verb which which tells us something about a noun or a pronoun. Which qualifies a noun or pronoun is known as an adjective clause. So I hope you can do these exercises in your book, and till the next session, goodbye.